Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. So here we go with the next question on the board, question 40. This question is based on circle theorem, and we're given the following instructions here. In the diagram, P, Q, R, and S, P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle, of course, with center O. This is the center. Angle QRX is the value at the middle that owns that angle. Okay, so that means angle R should be having 5x, which is what we have here as well. QRS. Then an angle QOS, where is that? QOS, which is this 6x plus 24. We are asked to find angle QPS, where is that? QPS. That means we are looking for the angle over here. That is the meaning. So, how do we solve this problem? Like I told you, this is based on circle theorem. There are theorems you need to apply to solve this problem. How do we get that? Now, if you look at this shape here, this is one line, right? 2, 3, and 4. That forms 4 lines in that circle in form of a triangle. When you have four-sided shape like this, this is called quadrilateral. But it is inside the circle, we call it cyclic quadrilateral. So the theorem behind that is that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are add up to 180. Or in another sense, you can simply put it like this. Opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? Supplementary. That means they add up to what? 180 degrees. Supplementary simply means 180. Now, let's tackle that first. What are the angles? This angle R is opposite is what? This P. That means angle P plus angle R will be equals to 180 degrees because they are cyclic what? Quadrilateral. They must be what? Supplementary. So what's the value of R? We're given that. So let's just replace angle P plus 5x will be equals to 180 degrees. If I make P subject of the formula, I'm going to have what? Angle P equals to 180 minus 5x. That means that this angle over here is 180 minus 5x. Do you understand what I'm saying? But we don't need it in this expression because we need to find the value of what? X. Then look at another one again. We are told that this is center O. There's another theorem that connects this and this together. Angle at center is equals to twice angle at any point on the remaining part of the word circumference. You understand what I'm saying? So that means angle at center here, which is this angle over here, is twice of the angle over here. So that we are going to have something like this. 6x plus 24, which is the angle at center, is equals to twice of angle at this point, which is 2 multiplied by 180 minus 5x. And let's solve this equation. We are going to have 6x plus 24 equals to what? This multiplied by this, that gives us what? 360 minus, that gives us what? 10x. If you collect like times, we are going to have what? 6x plus what? 10x equals to what? 360 minus 24. Right? So 6x plus 10x is what? 16x equals to, this is going to give us what? 336. So to get the value of x, we divide outside by what? 16. This cancel out this. So the value of x, when you divide this by 16, 16 here 1, 16 here 21. So you have gotten x to be equal to 21. So after getting x to be 21, you replace back into this expression here to get the value of what? Angle QPS. You understand what I'm saying? So let me just manage space. Let me just put it here. That will now be 180 minus 5 bracket. Then when I see s, I'm going to put what? 21. So that means I'm going to have 180 minus 105. So when you subtract this, what do you have? You have simply have 75 degrees. So the angle at this point is what? 75 degrees. And that answers the question. That's option A. So this is how you solve problems like this. Okay. So please don't forget to like my videos, turn on the bell notification to receive update from this channel, and don't also forget to follow me on my other page like the Facebook page, my TikTok page. Follow me on those channels too. I'm going to see you in next class. And if you have any question, you can do in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.